Hello, good evening, everybody. Thank you, 500 subscribers. I really say thank you. I love you all. All right, without wasting our time, tonight we are going to crack the Morse code for Hamster to get your 1 million coin. But unfortunately, it's possible you have a screen related to what I'm having here on my screen. This is actually a glitch from Hamster Kombat, and I believe they are working on it. But if you are able to access your own Hamster Kombat, so here is the code for tonight. You just need to unlock and crack this out. The code for tonight is Loadly, Loadly. So it's just a 6-letter word. So the first letter is L, which is a short, a long, a short, and a short. If you have watched the video of yesterday, you know how to have your short, you know how to take your long. Okay, the next letter is letter O, which is three long press, a long one, another long one, another long one, 3 long press. That is O. The third letter is A, which is a short and a long press, while the fourth letter is D, which is a long press, a short press, and another short press. Remember that once you miss one of it, you have to start all over again. Okay, so just listen to the voice over and over. Unfortunately, I could not display it on my screen because I'm unable to log in into the app. If I try reloading my page, it's still giving me the same issue, the same error, unable to get config. Earlier before now it was unable to oath, and so many other errors like that. All right, the fifth letter is L, which is a short and a short press. That is 2 short press. And lastly, the last letter is Y, which is a long press, a short press, a long press, and another long press. Let me take that Y again. The Y is long press, short press, long press, long press. That is 1 long press, 1 short, and 2 long press. So if you're able to crack this on your own, listening to just the voice, congratulations to you. If you're listening to this for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. I love you all. So I'll see you tomorrow again. And if you have not watched the video on how to get the 5 million card combo for today, the video is available on my channel just before this, so go and watch it. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the Telegram group. I will do well to attend to your query. Have a wonderful night rest.